A damp cloth rinsed in any mild, non-abrasive liquid detergent is recommended for cleaning the surfaces of the soft heat system. Do not clean any portion of this equipment with a water jet device or immerse in water. Always check and clean each spray head on a regular basis. Begin by removing the spray head from the brewer and disassemble the spray head by removing the seal. Use the pointed end of the spray head cleaning tool to remove any mineral deposits from the holes of the spray head. Then insert the long end of the spray head cleaning tool into the spray head fitting and rotate the tool several times to remove any mineral deposits from the fitting. Repeat this action using the short end of the spray head cleaning tool. Finally, assemble the spray head and reattach the spray head to the equipment and tighten by hand. Once the machine and spray head are cleaned and buildup is removed, the machine must be recalibrated to achieve the desired flow rate. Rotate the lifting handle back completely to release the lid and grasp the lid using the two finger holds. Lift the lid straight up to remove. Then fill the server with a non-chlorine cleaning solution and thoroughly clean the inside of the server using a soft, non-abrasive cloth or brush. Once complete, drain and thoroughly rinse the inside of the server using fresh water. Finally, fill the server again with a non-chlorine sanitizing solution and let the server sit for no more than 5 minutes. Using the cleaning product solution and the supplied brush, thoroughly clean the inlet tube. Next, release the sight gauge tube by pressing down on the sight gauge top. Remove the sight gauge tube and the bottom seal and clean the gauge using the provided brush. Now we will clean the faucet parts. Locate the faucet wing nut and turn in a counterclockwise direction to remove it from the dispenser. Transfer all the faucet parts to a 3-compartment sink for cleaning. Fill the first sink basin with soap solution using mild detergent. Fill the second sink for a clean rinse, and the third sink basin of 75 degrees and approved sanitizer is used to sanitize the faucet parts. The following day, reassemble the faucet and clean the faucet shank using the supplied brush. Reinstall the sight gauge seal and the sight gauge tube. Reattach the faucet to the server shank, but do not over-tighten the faucet wing nut. Hand tighten only. Thoroughly rinse the entire server after cleaning. Clean the entire outside surface of the server using a clean, soft, non-abrasive cloth dampened with any mild, non-citrus, non-abrasive liquid detergent. Please refer to your programming manual and server installation guide located in the Resources tab for more information and cleaning tips.